In this video clip, we want to express f of x in this form. What is the meaning for that? We know 9 divided by 7, you may put quotient over there. 1 times the divisor, 7. You do the subtraction, you have a 2. So then you know 9 equals 1 times 7 plus 2. Okay, so here are the numbers, but here are the polynomials. Okay, we may do the long division for this polynomial, but let's do the synthetic division. For synthetic division, you know here the coefficient of, let me change the color to red, maybe to red. You know the coefficient of x cubed is -1. Okay, so let's work on the synthetic division. So for synthetic division, the highest, the coefficient of the highest degree is 4. So you then have a 2. The coefficient of the highest degree 4 is 2. So you have a 2, -1, and then you have a -15. You have a 3. Do not forget constant. Here the constant is 0. Okay, the exponent here for x is 1. And then you have a 0. That's for synthetic division. Okay. All right. Then you put -3 here. -3 here. So what you get, step 1 is take 2 down, and 2 times -3, you get -6. -1 plus -6, you have -7. And then -3 times -7 is 21. Add together, 21 minus 15 is 6. 6 times -3, you have 18 negative. And then you add 3 and -18, you have a -15. -15 times -3, you have 45, and add together is 45. Okay, and then the first 4 terms are actually coefficient of quotient. Is like what? Here is the quotient. Quotient. And then here is the remainder. Okay. And we know this will be the dividend. And here x minus k is the divisor. It's like here. This is the divisor. and this is the remainder. So remainder goes to where? Right here. Okay, divisor right here. Quotient is 1. Okay, and 9 is the dividend. Okay, 9 is the dividend. So you want to write here dividend. All right. So then we may do is f of x then can be written as the quotient. Again, those are the coefficients. Previously we have a degree 4. Now here will be degree 3, degree 2, degree 1, and here is the constant. Constant. Okay. So then this f of x can be written in this way. Let me write it in red. Okay, still in red. So that will be the 1 times 7, so divisor times quotient, or quotient times the divisor. Our divisor is x minus k. So you want to do is x minus -3. And then here will be 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 6x minus 15 plus 45. 45 is the remainder. So here is the remainder. Let me rewrite it. This one is the remainder. Okay, and this one will be the quotient. The quotient, it looks like what? This is the quotient. Okay, this will be our quotient. And then here is actually x plus 40. Okay, so this one is our divisor. It acts like our what? It will act like the 7 right here. Okay, so this one you want to do is x times x plus 3 for this times 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 6x minus 15 plus 15, not 5. So let me change the color to red. 15 now. So let me erase that. That will be change the color to red. Minus 15 and then plus 45. Double check the answer. x plus 3 times 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 6x minus 15 plus 45. That's correct. Okay, that's the first question. Similarly, we can do for the rest of them. There are 2 more questions down here. Okay, let's see our solution for the second one. Negative 6x, then you have a positive 2, 5, negative 10. Then in this case, you put 2 here, take negative 6 down. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Add negative 12 and 2, we have negative 10. Negative 10 times 2, negative 20. Negative 20 plus 5, negative 15. 15 times 2, negative 30. And then negative 30 plus negative 10, negative 40. Again, this will be the coefficients of quotient. This will be what? Remainder. All right. So let's write down our expression in black this time. That will be f of x. This time x minus k is 2. So you do x minus 2. And then you have the quotient negative 6 is for the x squared. So you have a negative 6x squared minus 10x minus 15. And then plus negative 40. That's actually minus 40. Double check. X minus 2 times negative 6x squared minus 10x minus 15, and then minus 40. Okay, now the last question. Move it higher. The last question, let me do in black. Solution. So again, you need take the coefficient down. 3, negative 9, 2, negative 6. Again, do not forget constant, which is 0. Okay, then you shall have a 3 put right here. 3 takes down. 3 times 3, 9. Add together 0. 0 times 3, 0. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 times 3, positive 6. Add together positive, negative, you get 0. So in this case, you have a remainder is 0. And then what can you do? You will do f of x is the divisor x minus k, which is x minus 3 times the quotient. The quotient is x. It was x to the fourth. So now it should be the, I should do one more step. Yeah, so here I need to do one more step. You should have a erase this one. This one goes further. Here, 0 times 3 is 0. We cannot forget this one. And then 0 plus 0 is 0. Still remainder is 0. It's 0. Then you shall have here was to the fourth. So here should be what? Cubed for this one. And then you may write 0 times x squared. This is the coefficient, plus 2 times x for this one, plus 0. And then plus what? 0 is the remainder, this one. So what do we have? X minus 3, 3x cubed plus 2x. And then that's it. Okay? So, I forgot the close bracket. So x minus 3 times 3x cubed plus 2x, that will be the final answer. Okay? So, I'll see you next time.